Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix message notification sound on your iPhone. Now, open up the Settings app of your iPhone and let's scroll down until we get to Sounds and Haptics right under Notifications. Just tap on that. Now, one big culprit, if you're getting text messages but you're not hearing them, it's not making any sound, is because silent mode might be turned on. So turn silent mode off at the very top, or depending on your iPhone model, you might have an action button at the very top, right above the volume button. If you press and hold it, you can see it turns silent mode on. If I press and hold it again, it turns it off. Or if you have an older iPhone, it might be a physical toggle and you need to toggle it towards you, towards the face of the iPhone, and that will turn off silent mode. But another thing you can see here is ringtone and alerts and this volume slider. We want to turn this all the way up to the loudest possible so that it is as loud as possible when we do get that text message. Now, after we've done that, we can hop out of here and swipe down from the top right. We're going to check two things in here. The first one is the volume slider in here. Make sure this volume slider is as high as possible as well to make sure that you don't miss that text message sound when it comes through. The second thing is you can see I have work mode or work focus mode turned on. If you have do not disturb or any other focus mode turned on, make sure to toggle that off because that will silence all notifications. You won't get a vibration or a ringtone or anything like that when you get a text. So make sure to turn that off. And now after you've done that, let's go back into your settings. And from here, let's tap the back arrow and you can see notifications right above that. Let's check your notifications themselves. Once you open up your notifications, let's scroll down and then let's find the Messages app and check those notifications. So scroll down, there is Messages, just tap on that. Now, of course, at the very top, you need to make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and make sure everything is enabled on here. However, you'll notice that there's an option to control the sounds when you get these message notifications. So tap on Sounds and you can see mine is set to Vibrate Only and the sound is set to None. So you want to switch this over to Note, and now every time you get a text message, it'll sound like this. Or, of course, you can choose any of the other sounds that you want. The last thing that I would recommend doing is checking to see if you get that notification sound when you have either locked or unlocked your phone. If your phone is unlocked like this and you're messing around watching YouTube, etc., keep in mind you might get a banner that says you get a text message, but it might not play the sound. And this is something that is just built into your iPhone from Apple because they assume if your iPhone is unlocked and you're playing with it, then you're looking at the screen itself and they don't need to play a sound. They can just have it pop up at the very top. So if you do lock your iPhone and turn it off like this and you get a text message, you'll hear that sound. But if it's unlocked, you won't hear that sound. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.